Hello friends, welcome to this new video. We are going through a small project today again. So we will start. We will have something like just a simple building for a family house. So we will do it very quick, and I will explain you how to do this building. So let's jump in. Quite. Okay, we have a Revit. We go to new to start a new project. We will click on construction. This is in German, but it doesn't matter. So we open the new project, and now what we have to start is to manage the level. So because if we open the Revit like this, we just have like maybe one or two levels that are there. So we have to check if we want more level, if we want to plan more things. So we have to manage, we have to go to sort view and manage the level. So this is what you can see. This level, we will copy it and put some more, maybe put a level, one level for the ground, one for the building, and another one for the roof. So this is what we are planning to do. Before we do it, we will change this distance. The distance is in millimeter. We will change it in meter, like we used to do. So we go to view. To change this distance, we go to view. I mean this one. You see the one I mean. We go to view. View. This is view. We click on it, and we go to. It's not view, but make a mistake. It's not view, but we go to manage. Manage. We go to this project unite. That is where we have to click. We click on it, and now we have this table that is opening. We go to length. This is length, and we click on it. And now we have to change this distance in meter. Now you see it's in millimeter. We change it in meter. We put meter and we click OK. OK and OK again. Now we have our distance in meter. We can change this distance to put like, if you want 3 meter, we can just give 3. And now we have it here. Now we will copy this distance. We will copy this level. Now it's time for us to bring some more level inside, so that we can have a level for the ground, level for the real building, and one level for the roof. So we will click on this one and we will copy it. We will copy it. We want the level to be we want the roof to be like 1 meter. So we will give 1 meter here and OK. And we click escape if we finish. So between this distance is between this level and this one is 1 meter, you can see. So this will be the place for the roof. And here we do the same. We will copy it. We use this copy function. We click on it, and we will give here like we want the ground to be like let's say 0.5. Okay, 0.05. We click and enter and escape. Now we have our level. We have the plant we want. The time is to change the name. We have different name here. We will change this one. This one will be ground. Okay. This one will be floor. We put floor here. Okay. Yes. We change it. This one will be let us say real house. We can call this house. Okay. We click yes. And this one will be for the roof. So we come here, roof, in capital, roof, and enter. now we have our plan, you see. Okay, now you see, we can check if we have all the plan we want, if we have all our plan in this space, in this plan view. If we don't have it, we can check how to change it. So we have like side, house, floor, and we can realize, okay, there is some level that are missing. We don't have the roof, we don't have the ground, so we have to bring it inside. We have to bring it inside so that the time we will start to build, we will need to click on the plan to build inside it. So that is why we have to check if we have everything here. So to do it, we will go to view, and we will go to plan views. So we click on plan views, and now we have floor plan. And now you see this level are not in the list. So that is what we are doing now. We will bring it inside this list. So we click on OK. We choose the level and we click on OK. Now you can see it inside the list. It's not finished because we have one rest. We have the roof. We click OK, and we also have it here. So now that we finished to plan everything, we can start to build, to design our building. So I will go to ground, already open. So what I will do is to start with the soil. We will use the function toposolid. To use the function toposolid, we will go to mason and site, and this is what the function we will use, and we will click on toposolid, and now we have this function that is open. Now we will design our floor, we'll design our ground. So to design our ground, I will do something very simple. I will use the function here, I will use this function, and I will start to design my ground. So I will click on it. I want something like 200 square meter land, 200 square meter land. So one side 10 and one side, no, 20 and 10. I can give it like this and change it after. That is not a problem. Now I can click on it. This one will be 10, and this one will be 20. So we will have 20 here. No, 20. So that means we will have 200 square meter land. So we have our 200 square meter land. We want to build a small building of 100 meters square land on it. So that is our plan. Now that we finish, you can click on OK. You can click on OK, and now it's finished. And we can start to put things on our build, on our land. If you want, we can protect it. Let me check it. We go to architecture, and we will use the railing. We will put the railing to protect the land. So we can put it. You can start with the railing here. And the last one to close. Okay. And now we can confine. What you can realize is this railing I just put is not on the right side. So let me open it in 3D. You will see what I mean. Open it in 3D. Okay, it's okay. There is no problem. So our land is protected. Like you can see, our land is protected. Now we can continue to design the building. So we go back to ground. go back to ground, and let's go back to floor. This is floor. We will start to build to design the real building, that means the house. So what are we doing? You go to wall, we choose it, we choose the type of wall you want to use, and now we can start to design. Let me check. This have to be 0. Okay, now we can start. This is floor plan, and we can start to build. We have here, we want a 100-meter house. We can change it after that, is not a problem. So now we can close, and here this one we want here to be 100, to be 10. Then we can close it. 10 is too much. It's too much. Let us reduce it. 10 is too much, and let us give 5 or 7. Now we can pick everything. No. How to want to copy all this thing, or let me go back. This kind of mistake can happen. We can just go back, and now what we will do is to divide our place, to divide our house, to start to give more. Let me check. It's 4 meter height, so we have to change it. This one we want it to be 3, so we correct others. Also this 3 meter, everywhere have to be 3 meters high, so that is why we are changing it. Now that we finish, we want to reduce and put like veranda here, and 5 meter. So now we can choose this same world again. We use the same function, and before we continue, we have to make sure, okay, is from the floor. From the floor, cancel, and we have it here. Now that we finish it, we have to put a column here so that we can protect all this the roof, because the roof will have to come here out, so we have to put one column there. So to put the column, we'll use this line just to help to find a right cross point. Now that we have it, we can go to column. We can go to column, go to architecture, use the column. Let me check. I will use this one. Now that I finish, I can correct it. We have this column, and now have to make sure it's also 3 meter high. And now that we finish, we can start to divide our building to put the room. We will put the toilet, we will put the kitchen and so on, and the sleeping room, and that is what we want to do. We go back to one and we will choose brick. Choose this one. Okay. So from here, we can close this and choose the same function. Okay, now what we have here, we can put the toilet here. It's not big, but it's okay. So now we can start to put, like, this will be the parlor, sleeping room, toilet, and what do we forget? We can put like a kitchen here. It's small, but it's just to show an example how to design this very quick. And now we use the same function. We put the kitchen here. Okay, now we can start to put, we can continue to put the windows. You can continue to put the windows. So I will choose the windows function and I will put some here. We have the first windows here. The next one will be maybe here. I can choose something bigger like this one and put it here. I will do the same thing here. This is the parlor, living room, and here we will have the sleeping room, maybe for parents. It's very big. Another sleeping room, maybe guest sleeping room, and the last one will be here. You have to put, now we have to put some doors. We will choose it from here, doors, and this is the entrance. We put the doors, and here we choose something smaller, this one. This will be the toilet. We turn it like this. Yes. And now for this part, we put it here. This is a little bit small, but we can correct it. And this will be here. And what again? If we forget this part, and now for this last one, we can correct it. Let's just move this one a little bit so that we can have more space, and we go back to bring our door, turn it, and we put it here. Okay, now that we finish to put doors and windows, we will put some component inside our building. So that is what I'm planning to do now. We have a tree, we can put the tree here. And we will have like bed and so on. We can check, we have a bed here. Open it. You will put the first one. This is on the floor, yes. I can't see it. Why? Wait. Close it. Go back to component, and we have I can't see it here. Can put it here. House. Let me check it again. Open it. Component. Again. I can't see it. That must be some mistake, but we will not stop on this mistake. So let us continue and check what we have in 3D. You see, we can see that we have a mistake here. So how can we correct this mistake? So it's simple. We will just give here. You see, here is too high. That is 8 meters. That is why we have this distance here. We have this wall that's too high. So you will just click on it and give the distance we want, 3 meters. Everything have to be 3 meters. This one as well, 3 meters and 3 meters, 3. Let me change it. 3. Everywhere have to be 3. And the last one must also be 3 meters. And now we are finished. This is our building. You can see. Let me change. So this is our small building. You see, even this column is not 3 meters. It's too high. Or maybe it's this one that is not 3 meters. It's 3 meters, and this one is 4. That's the problem. So we have to change here to 3 meters. This one as well. We want 3 meters everywhere. So now we have it. Now we have it. 3 meters. We still have to correct this this column. Is too big, it's too high. We have 3 meters. Let me remove. It's because I think it's because I add this supposed to be 0 here. So now we have it, and you see it's the same. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Okay, now what we do is to put the roof. To put the roof, we go back to let me say house. This is the level we will use, and we will choose the roof here, and we will just start to build. We will give here, because we want our roof to extend a little bit outside of the building, so we will give here minus 0.5. Now we can start. I will choose this method. Let us correct the 0.5 minus 0.5. So now we can continue. Leave it here. We do the same thing here. Okay, and now that we finish, we can check this angle if you want to modify something here. This is the angle. I think I can correct this, but it's not a big deal. We can leave it like this, and if we finish, we just have to click here We click here OK, attach, and now let's check what we have in 3D. You see, this is what the small building we have in 3D. This is how it look like. For something did very fast, it's not bad. We can correct everything. We can correct something if we don't like it. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. It's a very simple house. We can put a lot of things inside if we want, but I wanted to share with you something very fast design for a simple family house. This is a kind of house, okay, for maybe a small family with 4 members or 3 members. You can have something like that. It's not so expensive. So I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and have a nice weekend. Ciao.